PADI AWARE shark conservation. What is it? Well, first we start with who is PADI. PADI is an acronym. It stands for Professional Association of Diving Instructors. And that was created in 1966 in Illinois by John Cronin and Ralph Erickson. And they band together to create a guideline for more professional, standardized, and accessible scuba training systems. So the whole goal was to kind of standardize and get scuba diving out there so that we could train people to get them into diving, get them further into the ocean to see the wonders that are there. Who is PADI currently? Currently, PADI is one of the largest recognized organizations for diving in the world. Beyond being globally recognized, they also have several different partner companies, like we'll be looking at here in a second. PADI's logo is Seek Adventure and Save the Ocean. Simple, clean, just like most of PADI's promotionary work as far as logos and branding goes. To the point, gets it across. Their goal, get people into the ocean and get us to save it. Save the ocean, care about the ocean. So they're focused on training divers and marine conservation. So they work on both sides of it. And a few of the courses that you can get into, you can do like an open water course is where you'd start. You can do a master diver course, which is the highest level for recreational divers. You can move to a professional side and do a dive master course. You can take a conservation course, like the AWARE Shark Conservation course that we're going to focus on. You can take a free divers course if you don't want to wear gear. And there's always the ever popular mermaid course that's growing in popularity. So from there, we'll pivot to PADI AWARE Shark Conservation. What is it? Well, it stems from PADI AWARE Foundation. This is a global nonprofit that was founded in 1989, but wasn't officially acquired by PADI until 2021. So this association foundation worked towards conservation of the ocean using the PADI name, and they were partnered together since inception, but wasn't officially acquired by PADI, the company, until 2021. And their goal has always been to teach conservation. So teaching conservation about sharks is what this one specifically is looking like. And the specialty course for divers was created in 1992. So divers could take the PADI AWARE Shark Conservation to get a certificate as like a specialty course for their diving records. And off the side here you can see just a couple of their logos and how it's changed from the Project AWARE Association to their new logo for Project AWARE as they became PADI AWARE Foundation with their slogan, Local Action, Global Impact. So the social media surrounding this, for all PADI actually, is they utilize word of mouth. So they use, people sharing, people posting facts, people, going out there and showing their stories. They have what they call ocean torch bearers, or people that they connect with to do influence, to, create more drive for the business. So what we should be looking at is 4 metrics: engagement, reach, exposure, and influence. Because looking at each of these pieces, we can then move towards, building a better brand awareness, building and managing the engagement in the community, and behavior change. We can accomplish, removing the fear that surrounds sharks. We can build a better community to, continue the conservation goal. And we can, build awareness for the program and the foundation as a whole.